Hey guys, my name is Martin Baker. I'm from South Bend, Indiana, and I've been playing drums for about 30 years. This year will be my 30th year, sometime this year. I started playing when I was 3, and I just got on the drums at church and started playing. I didn't take any formal lessons or anything like that. And still to this day, gospel music is my genre of choice. I play for a group called the Gospel Soul Revivers, which is a gospel quartet group, and we just released an album together, so that's one good thing that's going on there. I play some jazz. I play pretty much any type of genre. It's just gospel music is my main focus there, playing in the church and playing for the quartet group. I came across Collision Drumsticks, just trying something new, wanted to try a different type of stick brand, one that I hadn't heard of before, and I really like the fact that their stick is a lighter drumstick, but it's durable. I'm a pretty heavy hitter, so that's a really great thing for me. I also like that there's not a lot of vibration when you utilize the stick. When you hit the stick against the snare or against the drum, there's not a lot of vibration. Me being older, sometimes after long periods of playing, my hands start to go numb, and I really can avoid that with these sticks. So I'm happy that you kind of see that it's warm, because I've been beating the heck out of it. This stick is a 5A Reach, and I really like that Collision has a longer option for their drumsticks, because I like a longer drumstick, and those are hard to find. I also like the 7A Reach. For the song that I'm going to be covering today, it's a slower song, so I'm going to use a 5A Reach, slightly bigger drumstick there. And the song I'm going to be covering is called Odd Measures by Calvin Napper, who's a prominent gospel drummer. And I hope you really enjoy it, because it's a smooth song, it flows well, and I hope you like what you hear. Thank you.